Telemetry. So within that communications drivers pack, right, there is a flavor of commercial option where you can enable that communication drivers to work as a telemetry server. And the telemetry server has some protocols like DMP3, modbus RTU, some IEC standards, I think 61850, which is an electrical protocol. So for those maybe working with substations or of the like, this telemetry server does support those options and some others that I might have haven't mentioned. And really, in a nutshell, the difference between a traditional OI server and a telemetry server is either continuous communication or continuous polling of that OI server versus intermittent comms. And this is really to support, intermittent networks or wide area networks. And the nature of that is that in OI servers, you'll get near real time or live data. And with a telemetry server, by nature, you'll get late data, right? Because the connection or the intermittent comms is actually done through a connection schedule. And so you set up that schedule, the telemetry server will connect to its endpoints that you've configured for, and then grab the data that has been acquired in between those the last schedule or the last connection. This is configured within the OI servers of the communication driver bundle, right? So you can configure it there. It also does rely and leverage some orchestra services. So when using this within system platform, you'll need, I believe, at least version 2020 to enable the telemetry server.